Hi guys, today I'll show you how to replicate rain in Scratch. So the first thing I'll do is remove the Scratch character and then try to make a bluish line, uh, and then I'll make multiple costumes but in different blue. Huh? In different blue. So it will take a while. Then after making all the 5 costumes, what you can now do is get when I start as clone, switch costume, pick random from 1 to 5. Then it will go to a lot of Y, I think 400. Then what you can do is get this, pick random from, I'll also make it just larger. Negative 235 and 235. And then what I'll do now is that it will repeat until then touching, then we get a sprite, and then what the sprite will be is a line at the bottom. Let's make it larger. And then 0, 0. I can see it here. Then what I'll do is until touching sprite 2. So it will change Y by -5 until touching the sprite 2, and then it will delete clone. So if I make a clone of it itself, it'll do that. Also, I also have to do is also make it smaller, so it look like this. Then I also add a show, then it'll hide in when the non-clone. So I'll do forever, can clone myself, one flat click. Then it makes rain particles. And that's how I make rain effects in Scratch. Thanks for watching and stay curious!